and I am so excited. Today I'm shooting with a photographer who is so dope. I'll leave his Instagram down below. We're both gonna be vlogging today, so it's gonna be really fun. It's a little rainy out, but there are other things to worry about, like a lot. I'm gonna get ready because I'll be there in like an hour and a half, and I don't even know what I'm wearing yet. My hair is not done. I am just undone. I'm unkept right now. So I'm gonna get ready, starting with brushing my teeth and washing my face. Okay, cool. Now, because I'm shooting today, I'm really gonna be like making sure I look proper. I'm gonna do this face wash really quickly. I don't have a skincare routine, you guys. I don't care enough to have a skincare routine. And what's the second part of skincare? Care. Alright, I have an idea of what I'm gonna do with my outfit, but I don't really know for sure that's what I'm gonna do. Mainly because he sent me like a mood board, which I'll put in here somewhere. He sent me the mood board for it, but if we're being honest, I don't dress like that. At least anymore. That was like more middle school Nija. He told me vintage, like urban themed stuff. I'm like, okay, I can do that, but like, not the shit you sent me, friend. He told me like, if I my hair curly, that'd be cute, cool, whatever. Hopefully like it works out, because my hair, as you can tell, is not thriving right now. I'm not thriving right now. But yeah, I don't really know. I'm just kind of like in a rut right now. That was so annoying. It freaking cut off. But anyway, yes, I'm thinking this is good enough for the face, and then I'm gonna figure out an outfit and I'll come right back to you. Okay, I have my outfit. Now it's time to get this hair right. Gosh, it is not looking cute. I think it's cute AF. But yes, I have to get my hair fixed because I don't really know what I'm doing with it. I think I'm just leave it middle part curly. Short. Okay guys, so it's now 12:40. The weather is not the hottest, honestly. So I'm praying that this goes smoothly. But I'm about to head out to Fells Point, Baltimore. Hi guys! So we made it.
She vlogs too. That's cool.
We made it to Fells Point. I am so excited because I haven't done this in so long. But yes, you want to plug yourself really quickly and your channel?
Oh, Pnoyprimo.
I'll link.
Okay, yeah. You just type in the link.
I'll link it down below for y'all because he's already cool as fuck. And yes, so we're gonna shoot. We're in Fells Point. I keep saying that, but yeah, it's so cute.
It's nice. There's like nobody here too.
Yeah, everyone's like gone.
Look
Like,
at us. We're both doing this, and everyone's looking at us.
But yes, I'll get back to you guys when it gets exciting.
Oh yeah. Come on, let me do that too. Sorry guys, we're taking a while. I usually have a crew here, guys, so I'm kidding.
So this is the second location, guys.
Who are you talking to?
All right.
Do this.
Okay, guys. So we're now leaving.
Oh, hey, classified, guys.
Yes. Sorry, the bird. Yes, we're leaving. It was a great shoot. I highly recommend if you're in the area, hit him up for some
Thank you.
shoots. Oh my
Thank you.
God, the fucking
Thank
bird.
you.
But yes,
They're
he
just
was-
looking at it.
Yeah, 10 out of 10. Don't forget to subscribe to his channel down below. I'm featured on there. In the next vlog, it's gonna be a great vlog. So go ahead and watch and like it and subscribe to him and comment that you love his work because I love his work too. Okay.
Hey.
Alrighty.
That's a lot. Thank you. Thank
You're
you.
welcome. I'll
I'm about
see
to
y'all
cry,
in the
guys.
next video.